and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider. Link in description.
All right, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got a neat one. This is from a company out of Indonesia called Sedaap, and this is their Spicy Licious. So what is it? It's a green chili mee goreng. Okay, Indomie did one called Kabe Iho. I'm guessing it's Iho or Ijo, but this is the Sedaap version, or their offering of Kabe Iho kind of thing. But yeah, we're gonna boil that sucker for 3 minutes, and it is still the day after election day, and it's crummy, but you know, whatever. So I don't know. I've been following politics quite, like really closely. Definitely one of those people that they would, those folks would have called somebody with Trump derangement syndrome, I suppose. But you know, he won, so what do you do? So what I did, because I'm really not stoked about it, but I went out walking. Didn't feel like doing a huge walk, but I went out walking. Oh, and I put a bunch of music on my phone. So I've got this phone here, and that's where the music for this show is coming out of. And I've got other music on it, and I've got a Bluetooth speaker that I carry around with me. And yeah, well, I was like, well, what do I want to listen to? I'm kind of irritated. So I put the discography of Public Enemy on there. And then there's this Mexican death metal band called Brujeria. I put all their stuff on there. And something I've been meaning to check out, a group or person, or I don't know, project. I don't know what it is. I really haven't listened to it yet, but it's called Igor. It's Igorrr, or maybe there's another R. I don't know. But I heard that that's something to listen to, so I added that there too. Of course, I also put Billy Ocean, because Caribbean Queen or whatever is one of the cheesiest, most horrible songs in the world, and I was thinking that'd be fun to like horrify people with, as well as Sweet Freedom by Michael McDonald. So I got that in that folder too. And while I was listening to the political junk last night, somebody was saying, they used a term I've never heard, and they're like, it's really a hinge point. And I figured I'll just name the folder that. So I got a folder on that phone called Hinge Point that has like stuff I downloaded on election night. So there you go. That's my little story. But yeah, I went out walking, and man, walking around playing what do you call it? It Takes a Nation of Millions to Hold Me Back. Wow. Definitely makes you walk faster. It's like, but you know, I got out my unhappiness and I feel much better now. I won't go out again today, but tomorrow I'll probably do the same thing. It's a thing to do. I don't know, but it's just what I did. I was listening to a guy. There's this more progressive YouTube channel. It's called the Midas Touch Network. It has a guy who's like a political, I think he's a political science. He's a college professor. And anyways, he did a thing, and it was all about how, you know, a lot of people, because there was a lot of people who voted for Trump, but there was a lot of people who didn't, and a lot of those people are really like unhappy, freaked out, angry, A lot of them are kind of scared too. And he was like saying, it's okay to cry. It's okay to do. Screw that, man. I'm sorry. Don't give him any liberal tears. Jeez. I don't know. I, for one, won't be crying. Irritated, sure, but tears? No. Whew. Oh, it's that. Wow. I was like, it's something burning? It smells like burning wood. It's that. Interesting. And then there's a sachet of a spicy sambal. This must be the green chili. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, you can see that. I think it's green. I'm colorblind. I go to the store and I want to get my wife a dozen yellow roses, and I always have to ask them, are those yellow? No, sir, those are pink. These are yellow. I'm like, oh. Okay, thanks. Ooh. Okay, so a lot of the time, when you get Indonesian varieties, you get these multi-sachets. This one's free-flowing. This one is really hard to move. And what that is what do you call it? It's sweet soy sauce. And it's thick, and it's molasses-like, and it's really hard to get out of there. The best thing you can do to make your life easier is honestly knead the hell out of it before you even attempt getting it out of there, because it'll just like lock up. I'm almost thinking right now of microwaving this, but actually I'll run it under some hot water. Should get it moving around a little bit better. There we go. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Sometimes you'll find sachets that have been cold, and then the ones that are with oil will get hard as a rock. Just warm them up. It's not like there's something wrong with them, unless you see, like, the only sachets you really need to worry about are ones that are bloated. If it looks like somebody inflated it with like a balloon, that generally denotes something is reacting in there, something is making things, and it's causing gases to come off of it. Yeah, skip on that action, man, but other stuff, wow, this is like some of the thickest. I'm holding it under like hot water under the sink and kind of kneading it around. It just doesn't want to. I think that's all I need to say. It doesn't want to. I guess that's all I can do. Wow, how are you supposed to get this crap out? Well, I'll get out as much as I can, but the problem is this stuff is so messy. I'm just gonna, it's 2 sachets. I'm gonna cut one of them. I'm gonna cut them apart, basically. Oh, there's no basic. I'm cutting them apart. I try not to add extra words that when they're not necessary, but sometimes I just have a real problem with that. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. You could still be raw about the election at this point. What is it? It's after Groundhog Day. Dude's been installed. His firmware has been installed in the White House by the time you're seeing it. So, yeah. He the president. I was hoping I was going to get to play the James Brown song. A brand new funky president. Oh. But no, we just got a not a funky in like a good way one. But like I said on the last episode, if you voted for him and he won, congratulations. I mean, I'm not. Wow. Get out of there. Yeah, this stuff, I swear, I should just get a jar of it because it just does not want to come out. I've seen people do like This little trick with a pair of chopsticks, holding them together and like pulling it like, eh. Yeah, good luck with this. I mean, this is like, but this is like a really important aspect to this one. It's nice. It's really sweet and tarry, and you come off of there at least? Wow, that's thick. So freaking thick. Thick and sweet. Okay, I think that... I don't even think it's going to mix in. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, it really isn't. I'm calling it good. I'm calling it a sachet failure. That's too bad because it's really, yeah, look at that. It doesn't even want to come off the fork. But I will do my best, as I always attempt to do, as I always do. I'm doing my best. There is one more sachet here. It smells really tart, really tangy, really green chili. There it goes. It's in there. I don't know how evenly it's in there, but it's in there. We got this, and this is a sachet of, I believe, rendang flavored, crispy, crunchy fried bits that'll go in here. Let's see. I'm gonna use this one. We were using paper plates quite a lot around here because they're just really convenient, and I don't know. We're not rich people. We were getting them at Costco, and it was like, oh, we need to get more paper plates. I'm like, what if we just use the plates we already have? We've got tons of plates. It just seems to me like we should just do that. So she's like, okay. I mean, now I'm like washing all these dishes extra. But, I mean, why spend the money when you don't really need to? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to garnish this sucker, and then I'm going to bring it, and then I'm going to go take the pretty pictures. There it is. And then I'm going to come back and try it in front of y'all. Hello, y'all. How are you doing, y'all? God, dang it. Oh, come on. It's that drawer again, folks. I know you have one. Look at that egg. How can you not smile when you see such a lovely fried egg? I would have used coriander if I wanted to go to the store and buy coriander for one of the rare times I actually need it, but I didn't. Sesame seeds, huh? I don't think so. I don't think so. I wish I had some, like, oh, what is that stuff? Oh no, it's the annoying song, one of the many. Look at that. Beautimus! Let's change the song for the rotato aspect deal thing. Oh yeah. So I am going to take this and put this right here, do you get a little bit of a... I don't think so. Does it do it? There you go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go take... Oh no, I gotta use this phone to do the pretty pictures. Well, I'll do that in a moment. But, ooh, video feedback, right? I'm back. It says it's spicy-licious, so far be it for me to dispute that. It sounds good. Green. Whoa. There we are. All right, let's give this a try. Here's the little crunchy bits. And the mee goreng. Cheers. Mmm. Crunchy bits are very nice. There's a lot of heat to this. It's really decent. This is good. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I should do a mukbang of that. Ooh. Yeah, there may be a mukbang coming up. Not today, but sometime soon. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. 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 I feel like Gordon Ramsay. Wow. 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 Anyways, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and letting you know that no God or government is going to keep me from continuing reviewing of the noodles each and every day. So don't worry about the drama. This has been Hans, and yeah, have a good one. Bye-bye.
Building blocks, throwing rocks, nuclear proliferation. Hands the wheel, quite a deal. Caustic affiliation. Make it all, make it all. The block, the arc, we will use them all.